So I was sitting there, looking at all the videos I've made, and I was thinking to myself, man, you know what I haven't made enough of? Videos relating to earth science. Coincidentally, I just got assigned to make a video relating to earth science for school, so I guess things just work out sometimes, you know? Fun fact number 1. Man, not again. You may have heard of this little search engine called Ecosia. Ecosia is a search engine. Ecosia is a search engine that donates 80% of its earnings to groups and charities that specialize in planting trees, like that one there. Look at it. Wow. As of November of 2020, it has already planted over 114 million trees, which is like a decent amount. So if you want to help the environment next time you're looking at Family Guy Funny Moments Volume 4, try using Ecosia. Fun fact number 2. It's that time of year again. I can tell because the room I am currently sitting in is full of boxes. So many. Please send help. But with Christmas comes putting a tree in your living room in honor of this guy. The question is, which one would win in a fight? Which is better for the environment, a fake tree or a real tree? Well, it's hard to say whether a real tree or a fake tree is better. It's recommended that you get a fake tree and then keep it for like up to 8 or more years. Personally, we've had the same artificial tree for around 20 years. Yep. That's a tree in my living room. Can't deny it. Back in January of 2019, a trend began of businesses replacing their plastic straws with paper ones. Or in some places, plastic straws just being banned altogether. But as it turns out, this target placed on plastic straws doesn't really make much sense. The main reason that plastic straws became such a big target was because British Prime Minister Theresa May stated the intent to eradicate all plastic waste by the year 2042. Their directive specifically mentioned a multitude of single-use plastics, which included plastic straws, but it also included a bunch of other stuff that people just kind of ignored. God, this thing is so... please. Before we continue, this video is sponsored by Loopy Fruits. What are Loopy Fruits, you ask? It's cereal. Loopy Fruits is the perfect gift for the holiday season, especially if you hate the person you're giving it to. Loopy Fruits are available now at your local gas station. Is this thing on? What? Okay. Buy the cereal! Sorry about that. I think my recording software must have glitched. I don't really, know. Anyways, next up is how the different spheres interact with each other. I'm gonna stay on the subject of trees because, look at them. Perfect. Planting trees improves the quality of the soil by giving exhausted soils new sources of organic nutrients. Trees are a form of life, aka a part of the biosphere, and the soil from the earth is a part of the geosphere, so that's two spheres that doing something. Alternatively, the trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air and give off oxygen, improving the air quality and the atmosphere as a whole. Wow, that's pretty cool. I wish I was a tree. This sucks. So finally, I'm supposed to give a plan of how to help solve some of the problems that are happening with climate change, because oh god. I decided that Family Guy Funny Moments was the only way to save the planet, because I'm talking about Ecosia, the search engine that plants trees. I've already gone over this. Please pay attention. I decided to do the math to see how many Ecosia searches it would take to fix the planet, and furthermore, how long it would take to reach this goal. I did this because I hate myself. Okay, so the math goes like such. Every 45 searches on Ecosia equates to around 1 tree planted. The average person searches for things around 3 times a day, and it would take around 1.2 trillion trees to fix climate change. Using these, we can determine that it would require 54 trillion total searches on Ecosia to fix climate change. Great. After that, we need to know that 16 million people use Ecosia monthly, which equates to around 533,333.33 daily users, which would mean around 1,600,000 searches on Ecosia daily. This means that it would only take 33,750,000 days of Ecosia searches to fix climate change, which is around 92,465.75 years, which means that global warming will be gone in the year 94,485. So I guess this plan may not work after all. While the plans may not work, it is still helpful. Okay, this fly is just right. But while this plan may not work, it is still helpful to be planting some beautiful trees while watching Family Guy Funny Moments, Volume 3. Gosh, that is a nice tree.